Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to activate eBay's dark mode using a smart Google Chrome workaround for 2025. This setting is perfect for nighttime browsing, as it minimizes eye fatigue and conserves battery life on OLED displays. Let's get started and improve your viewing experience. Begin by launching Google Chrome on your PC. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official site, since this technique only works within the Chrome ecosystem. We are going to adjust some internal browser flags that unlock experimental capabilities. With the browser open, start a new tab. In the URL bar, enter Chrome//flags and press enter. Don't be overwhelmed by the options. We only need one specific setting. This area serves as a laboratory for new tools, so while they generally work well, remember they are still in testing. Use the search bar at the top of the flags page to look for Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Chrome will filter the list to show the exact setting we need. This function forces websites to use a dark layout, even if they don't officially support one. Locate the drop-down menu next to the Auto Dark Mode option and change it to Enabled. To apply this change, you must restart the browser. Simply click the blue Relaunch button found at the bottom of your screen to refresh Chrome with the new configuration. Once Chrome reopens, head over to eBay to see the transformation. The site will now feature a stylish dark interface despite lacking a native toggle. This update applies to almost every website you visit, providing a consistent, modern appearance that is much gentler on your vision. That is how you easily force dark mode on eBay and other sites using Chrome's hidden settings. If you ever want to switch back, return to the flags menu and set the option to disabled. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new dark-themed browsing experience.